Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic conversion of solid from one shape to another. That is your exercise 13.3. Let us see what are the important points that you should take care when you convert a solid of a particular shape to another shape, and what are the points. When you convert one solid shape to another, its volume remains the same, no matter how different the new shape is. So, before this, you have learned volume of different solid shapes. Connecting to that, this topic comes. So, you should know what are the formulae for the volume of different solid shapes. Why? When you convert one solid shape to another, its volume remains the same, no matter how different the new shape is. We'll see an example. For example, if you melt one big cylindrical candle to 5 small cylindrical candles, the sum of the volumes of the smaller candles is equal to the volume of the bigger candle. Okay, so the volume formula is very important in conversion of solid from one shape to another. Hence, when you convert one solid shape to another, all you need to remember is that the volume of the original as well as the new solid remains the same. Now, directly let us move on to the first question. First question. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. Students, in this question you are talking about two solid shapes. The first solid shape is a sphere and the second solid shape is a cylinder. So you should know the volume formula for a sphere and a cylinder. Let us see the steps. It is given that radius of the sphere R, capital R, is equal to 4.2 centimeter. It is 4.2 centimeter. Now, the radius of the cylinder, will take it as small r. It is given as 6 centimeter. Students, you know, for a sphere, you don't have any other dimensions. Only the radius is there. For a cylinder, radius and height will be there. So, height is the unknown quantity in this question. It is given that the sphere is melted into a cylinder. When you convert a solid shape to another, the volume remains the same. So that you will equate the volume of sphere to volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere to volume of cylinder. What is the formula for volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder is pi r squared h. Pi r squared h. Here pi and pi get cancelled. Pi and pi get cancelled. So 4 by 3 into r cube is equal to r square h. 4 by 3 r cube is equal to r squared h. So 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 is equal to 6 into 6 into h. So what will you do? Take r square to the left side. Take r square to the left side. You will get 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 6 into 6. After simplification, you will get height of the cylinder is equal to 2.74. Height of the cylinder is equal to 2.74 0.74. Let's see the next question. Metallic spheres of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. So how many spheres are there? 3 spheres are there. The first radius is 6, second radius is 8 and third radius is 10 cm. Are melted to form a single solid sphere. So here in this question, both the solid shapes are spheres. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. As I said in the previous question, a sphere is having only the radius. The measurement given to you will be the radius of the sphere. Now what will you do? Find the volume of the first sphere. Find the volume of the second sphere. Find the volume of the third sphere. And add the answers. And that will be the volume of the resulting big sphere. Let's see the steps. For sphere 1, radius R1 is equal to 6 cm. Volume V1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. Students, listen here. As you are doing the two solid spheres, don't calculate the answer here itself. Don't calculate the direct answer here itself, because 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled at the end. So no need to calculate here. Just write the formula. For sphere 2, radius R2 is equal to 8 cm. Radius R2 is equal to 8 cm. So volume V2 will be 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. So what will be the volume of the sphere 3? It is 4 by 3 pi R3 cube. 4 by 3 pi R3 cube. Now let us take the radius of the resulting sphere as small r. Here we took R1, R2, R3. So the resulting sphere radius will be r. Now equating 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the resulting sphere. Now 4 by 3 into pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 into pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 into pi r3 cube. Can you see 4 by 3 pi is common in all the terms, LHS and RHS. 4 by 3 pi is common in both LHS and RHS. So you can cancel it. That's why I told you don't calculate it here. As you have 4 by 3 pi on the left hand side and 4 by 3 pi on the right hand side, you will get it cancelled. So r cube is equal to 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. 6 cube is 216, 8 cube is 512, 10 cube is 1000. So r cube is equal to 1728. R cube is equal to 1728. So R is equal to 12 centimeter. How will you find this cube root of a number? Prime factorize and group into 3. Okay, how will you find the cube root? Prime factorize the given number and group each prime number into a group of 3. Okay. Now, hope you understood the basic concept. Let's move on to the third question. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Did you understand the question? A well is made When you dig a well, much of soil will be there, isn't it? That is what you mean by earth here. Okay, that soil, after taking it out from the well, it is evenly spread out to form a platform. Students, you can take the shape of the platform as a cuboid. Okay, you can take the shape of a platform as a cuboid. So here, deep well is in the form of a cylinder. Well is in the form of a cylinder. So height is 20 meter, diameter is 7 meter. Height of the cylinder is 20 meter, diameter of the cylinder is 7 meter. Now what about the cuboid? Length is 22, breadth is 14. Length is 22, breadth is 14. Find the height of the platform. Students, what is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. Then, what will you do? Then what is the volume of the cuboid? Length into breadth into height, LBH. Now equate both. Here, diameter is 7. For the cylinder, diameter is 7. So what will be the radius? Radius is 7 by 2. Now, I'll find the volume of the cylinder first. Pi r squared h, that is pi is 22 by 7, r square 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, h is 20. 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Cancelling the common terms. This 7 and this 7 will go. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5 is 20. That is what I got here. 22 into 7 into 5. I am not doing the final answer here because I will have something to cancel. Okay. Let the height of the platform is equal to h. That is, the height of the cuboid is h. Volume of soil from well, that is volume of the cylinder, is equal to volume of the soil used to make such platform. That means you are equating volume of the cylinder and volume of the cuboid. Now, Now, pi r squared h is equal to 22 into 14 into h. That means volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cuboid. Pi, here is the equation. 22 into 7 into 5. This is the volume of the cylinder. This is the volume of the cuboid. 22 into 14 into h. Simplifying, you will get h is equal to 2.5. H is equal to 2.5. That is, the height of the cuboid is equal to 2.5 meter. Let's move on to the fourth question.